Oh, you want my phone number? Yeah, it's 1-800. Yeah!
I heard you boys are trying to win a football game. Good thing you got me here. Kobe.
Hey, it's a fumble!
Oh, good grief.
What are you doing, Levis? What the frick are you doing?
I went for the levitating Levis. Give me the ball.
Okay.
Heh. Time to try and boost my Madden rating. Wait a minute. Did we show up to the wrong field again?
Hey guys, can you let me in?
Whoa, you're strong.
Hey!
Oh no, the pocket's collapsing. I gotta make up my mind. Catch this! Bro, you're supposed to take that to the house. Let's play some football, fellas. Alright, now what do I do? Ha! Kobe! Yeah, that'll do it.
Yo, a free touchdown!
What have I done?
Jameis! Oh, wow. Yeah. Hey, you, catch this absolutely beautiful pass. I truly am peak masculine performance.
Yo, DK! Score this! I need the fantasy points!
Yeah, I got you. Hey, why you not guarding me?
I'll have you in fantasy too!
Oh, yeah. Hey, bro, let's celebrate. Absolutely not. I say down with the red coats.
Ah!